Hello and welcome back to the online classes. I think you did the previous exercises from exercise 2.2, question number 1 and 2, right? So what we will do today is we will do the next question, that is find the first 5 multiple of the following. So the number is 24. This is very easy, okay? You have already done this. This is very easy. So I'm just going to do one example, okay? So the first 5 multiple of 24 is, so write solution, okay? Now, what you do, you just multiply 24 into 24 for 5 times, okay? So starting from number 2, 24 into 2, 24 into 3, 24 into 4, 24 into 5 and 24 into 6. Since the question is asking you to find the next 5 multiples of 24, right? So the 5 multiples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So you just multiply this number. So 24 into 2 is 48. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 1 in hand. 3 2s are 6, 7, 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. 12. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. So, therefore, the 5 multiples of 24 are 48, 72, 96, 120 and 144. So this is very easy. You can do it in this way. Fine. Okay, so you can do question number 3, right? Now I want you to do question number 3, A, B, C, D, E, F till J. Fine. I want you to complete till J. Now moving on, we have question number 4. Define them and give an example for each. Now you have to define and give an example for each. So I've already explained to you, right, what is even number, what is odd number, what is prime number. In fact, I've given you some examples as well during the classes, right? So I want you to find the answers, the definitions for this words, okay, that is even, odd, prime, natural number, composite, co-prime, twin prime. It's in the book as well. So I just want you to do that with an example, okay? So moving on to the next question, that is question number 5. What do we have in question number 5? 5 म्हणजे segregate even and odd number. So you have to differentiate even and odd numbers, okay? That is very simple. To find even number, what you have to do is the number should be divisible by 2, right? So that is even number, and the number that is not divisible by 2, they are odd numbers. So you can differentiate that easily, right? So let me do one example. Say suppose 2, 3, 8, 9. Since the last digit of this number is odd, 9, which is not divisible by 2, right? That means this is odd number. Okay, so you just write odd. And 2, 6, 8, 4. Now see, for this number, to differentiate between even and odd number, what you have to do is you just look at the last digit. The last digit is 4, which is even number, since it is divisible by 2, right? So this is even number. So for your solution, you write just you can write even. Okay, so this is your answer. So I want you to do question number 5. Okay, till J. Right? This is very easy. You just have to differentiate even and odd. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 6. So what is the question saying as is, state whether the following are prime or composite numbers. Okay, you have to differentiate between the prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, so how do you differentiate between prime number and composite number? So to differentiate, I'll give you an example. A prime number should have 2 factors, that is the number itself, okay, and number 1, right? I've already explained it to you, right? Prime number. So say suppose if I take 5. Now when I try to factorize this number, what happens is this 5 is not divisible by any other number except for 1 and 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. So a prime number should have only two factors, that is the number itself. Suppose in this case it's 5, so the number should be 5 and 1. Okay, so the next thing, composite number. Okay, so a composite number has to have more than two factors. Say suppose 25. If I take an example, 25. 25 लाई चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ नम्बरले मल्टिप्लाई गर्न सक्छ हामीले? से 5 बटा 5 5 are 25, 5 1s are 5, and this number is also, this number has how many factors? It has more than two factors. That is, it can be divisible by 1, it can be divisible by 5, it can be divisible by the number itself as well. So it has more than two factors, right? And तीनटा factors, sir. Whereas in this case, it has only two factors, that is the number itself and number 1. So यो चाहिँ composite number हो and यो चाहिँ prime number. बुझ्यो? जुन चाहिँको चाहिँ factor चाहिँ 2 भन्दा बेसी छ त्यो चाहिँ composite number हुन्छ, अनि जुन चाहिँको factor खाली दुईटा छ त्यो चाहिँ prime number हुन्छ. बुझ्यो? So you can differentiate, right? So state whether the following are prime or composite number. अब differentiate गर्नु सक्छ, right? So in this case 12 is divisible by 2. The first question is 12, right? So it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 4, which means it has more than two factors. That means this is not a prime number, this is a composite number. 15, similarly in case of 15, 15 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 1, 15 is divisible by 15 itself. So it has more than two, that is, it has three factors, right? So this is also not a prime number. 71. 71 can only be divided by the number itself, that is 71 and number 1. So 71 is a prime number. Okay? Okay. So question number 6. You do all the questions, okay? From question number 6, you do all the questions. We have questions till P. So I want you to do all the questions. Now, for your homework or your home assignment, what I want you to do is I want you to complete all the exercises till. I want you to complete all the questions till question number 6. Fine. And if you have any problem regarding these questions, you can please ask us. Okay? You can WhatsApp or comment us. And I will try to explain it to you in the next video. Okay, we have been telling you many times. If you do not understand, please try to contact us. And if you can do other questions, that is 7, 8, 9 from this exercise, any other questions, okay, you can do it. You can try it at home. And we will be more than happy to help you. Okay, so stay at home, stay safe. That is what we urge you. Okay, so thank you.